Hi everyone, it's Danielle. This is our first Christmas in our new home and our first Christmas with our new baby. So this season feels extra special. If you've been wanting a Christmas that's cozy, calm, and not stressful, then this video is for you. Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo how we decorate minimalist style. Intentional, warm, and festive, pero hindi cluttered. Marami rin akong gustong i-share sa inyo na affordable finds for you to be able to decorate your home beautifully as well this Christmas season. All the links will be put down below sa description box for your convenience. Are you ready for a cozy Christmas? Tara, let's decorate together! Let's start with our Christmas tree. We bought this tree online, and I also recently just learned na mas maganda if you choose the PE with PVC material. Actually, if your Christmas tree is made of pure PE, it's better because it looks more realistic, which I agree. Dito naman sa atin sa Philippines, wala namang tunay na pine. So, PE is the way to go. These are the first ornaments to arrive, so i-assemble na namin ngayon. We wanted our tree to be simple but meaningful. Something that will add a touch of festivity, but also keeping it minimalist and also focusing on the reason for the season. So we got these Bible verse ornaments to really remind us of the Lord. It reminds us of God's love and who He is with these ornaments. This is how our tree looks like for now.
Here.
For Christmas ornaments, we actually bought these all white Christmas balls. Hope it turns out well. It's actually our first time to decorate our Christmas tree together. So this is a special moment for us. Sa ilalim na. We're going to play some Christmas songs para mas fun yung pag-decorate.
Let go.
We are now done decorating for now. We felt that our Christmas trees lacked some decoration. So, bumili kami ng a little more para to add to the Christmas tree. And we're going to redecorate it today. We have to pull this out. Kaya ba natin?
Seriously?
Pull out lang. Paano pa natin decorate?
Off ko muna.
Ah, you have to off. Okay. Okay. Some more balls. Okay. So, ito, mga fillers siya. We have to put in between. Our redecorated Christmas tree. I think it looks more lively than the first time. We added some champagne balls. We also added this for a natural touch. And this one, what I don't like about this lang, medyo makalat siya. Like, so many glitters here. For the living room, I chose pieces that feels warm and personal. First is this cross-stitch Merry Christmas decor. It's special to us because I made it myself years ago as a gift for my then boyfriend, now husband. I also added this long garland. Again, it's made of PE to make it look a bit more realistic. I also added some red holly berries, pine cones, gold Christmas balls for a more festive touch. And here is our peace, love, joy decor. It's a little reminder of the fruits of the Spirit that I want to keep bringing into our home. Pillows are one of the easiest ways to add warmth. I love our candy cane throw pillow because the J shape points to Jesus. The red stripes represents His sacrifice on the cross, while the white stripes shows the purity and forgiveness that we receive through Him. Pinili ko rin itong mga throw pillows that looks like a gift box, matching our color scheme. And for our other pillows, I chose this all-white Christmas tree for that minimalist touch but with a Christmas vibe. To add a touch of greenery, I place a small wreath around our table plant. Now it seems obvious that I love holly berries. I saw this online and I immediately fell in love. I added some gold Christmas balls inside the vase to match the berries. So tonight, we're working on the stairs. Yung plan is mapuno to lahat sa stairs ng mga ribbons. Here's the ribbons. I actually did not expect for it to be this big. It's quite big, pero it's really nice. I'll put the link down below for you to also have it if you're also interested in getting this. I'm using this cable tie na nabili namin before from Daiso para ma-set up to doon. Okay, let's start. For our stairs, I wanted something simple. Just enough to make our stairs look festive but still minimal. We chose this ribbon that's red and white to match the candy cane from the living room and also our color scheme. If you plan to purchase the same one too, this is what I'm doing. Pinapasok ko yung cable. Ang tawag doon? Cable tie. And then, I hang it here. I'll show you. Here you go. Your very own beautiful ribbon. This is how it looks like as of now. A few more to go. Even our kitchen has a little Christmas touch. A small wreath and a few accents that match the living room. It's the same garland with the living room. And I stayed with our color palette. Green, red, brown, champagne, gold, and white. So that everything looks cohesive all throughout the house. Going to put some here for that natural touch and make this side of our kitchen look a little more presentable. Starbucks Christmas drink to cap off our decorating. Because of my love for holly berries, I added that design as well here in our powder room. Just a little touch to show the festivity of Christmas. And also this small Christmas tree beside the sheet. As for the other restroom that's usually used by our guests, I chose the similar holly berries garland. I also thought this is a nice touch for one of our rooms as well. Just a minimalist Christmas decor. And now for the tablescape. Isa ito sa pinaka-favorite kong gawin at na-enjoy ko talaga. Nataon kasi that some relatives are coming over, so I also thought of filming this. I kept it warm and natural. Some red, green, brown, colors that match the rest of our home. My goal is to make the tablescape feel calm and welcoming and also showing the festivity of Christmas. how our tablescape looks like. Love this Christmas hat. It adds a very nice touch. So this is the current setup of our tablescape. In doing tablescapes, it's best to add some labels so that your guests will know what food they're going to have. And it's easier for them to see. It's our drink station. And as you decorate your home this year, I hope you give yourself permission to slow down. Maybe play your favorite Christmas music. Ako, personally, I love calming jazz and Christian Christmas songs. Or maybe read the book, spend time with your family, do a small Christmas DIY, watch a Christmas movie, or enjoy your favorite drink. Christmas is so personal. And sometimes, the most beautiful Christmas is the simple one. Always remember, He is the reason for the season. And may this be your calm, cozy Christmas. That's it. Thank you so much for decorating with me today. I hope this video gave you ideas for a cozy and calm Christmas in your own home this season. Let me know in the comments, how are you making your Christmas peaceful this year? If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe na rin for you to stay updated sa iba pa nating videos. Maraming salamat again for taking time to watch this video. This has been Danielle, and I'll see you on the next video.